In this lecture, you will learn how to change the sewing machine needle efficiently. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your sewing machine is off. Since we are going to be placing our fingers next to the needle, we want to make sure that we are protected and we don't get poked. So make sure your machine is off so you don't accidentally move the needle. So now I'm going to be showing you how to change or replace the needle on your sewing machine. Now you should have a little bit of a screw on the top of the needle bar. Here it might be a screw like it is here. You might even need a little screwdriver or tool in the kit that came with your sewing machine. You will want to undo this, generally that's turning it to the left. Whilst you do this, hold on tightly to the needle because you don't want to lose the needle in the sewing machine. Once you have loosened it enough, you should be able to pull the needle out just like so. So now, in order to position the needle back in, you have a flat part of the needle. This most of the time in a sewing machine goes towards the back. So to position it in, I am going to hold onto it with my left hand. I will need to sort of position the needle almost down in the center of the presser foot to get the angle to come back up straight, and I'm going to try and find the hole for the needle. You might want to get visual with this and get quite low so that you can see where the hole is for the needle and where you should be inserting the needle. Make sure you are positioning the flat part of the needle towards the back of the sewing machine. And the most important thing here is that you really make sure that the needle is as high as it can go. Make sure that your screw is very loose or as loose as it can be to allow the needle to go as high as possible. Once you are happy that the needle is as high as it can go, you can retighten the screw either using your fingers or perhaps the tool that's come with your sewing machine. You must make sure that this is very tight so that the needle doesn't drop out whilst you are sewing, and there you have it. That is how you replace or change your needle. In conclusion, changing the sewing machine needle is a simple yet crucial task to ensure the quality and success of your sewing projects. By following the steps outlined in this lecture, you can easily replace the needle with a new one that suits your project's requirements. Remember to always use the appropriate needle type and size for the fabric you are working with, and regularly inspect and replace needles to maintain optimal stitching results. With this knowledge, you can confidently keep your sewing machine in and achieve professional looking stitches in your creations. If you have any questions about this, you can feel free to ask. I'm here to help you.